The application that I decided to, I guess, teach you would be the WeVideo that we actually did last week. I actually thought it will be awesome to go over since it was fresh in our mind. First off, you will go to the wevideo.com, then go to sign up. However, you don't have to purchase anything, so you will scroll down to it says free. Then you will create an account either with your Google or Facebook account. After you have created those accounts, you will log in and you will also see a create new. As you see the create new, you will then go to the editing area. And while you're there at the editing area, you will then see an audio, which for audio, you can have audio already on the computer that you would like to use, or there are actually free audio they are available for you. It's kind of up to you whichever one you want to use. Me personally, I used the free audio there. I felt that it was a little bit easier and not as complicated to select here to import it from there. But anyway, you will go to audio, and then you will see things there to begin. There you will upload the video clip by hitting the button underneath the media. Then you will hit media, and then you will hit import media. If you already have a video there, which is perfect, you will then import it. However, I didn't per se have a video that was already there. So what I did, I went to Google and I got a bunch of pictures. I did my application on WeVideo last week on Pink Eye. So I uploaded a lot of baby slash toddlers that had the pink eye, and then I imported it into my video. But if you already have a video there, that is awesome as well. But I didn't. So I had to do some other things. So you would import that video. If you already have it there, you will open it. Then it will say import. Then you would grab the video and then you would drag it down to the bottom there in that area. And you can also split the video if you like by clicking on the blue icon. Then it will have the clip there and it then will be splitted. You can also import music as well. Like I said, they have free music there, which I did the free music there. I clicked on the free music and I drug it down to the bottom, the second column there underneath your video part where it says audio at. And you would click that, you would drag it down and click that, and you would have your video as well. I also did record. You can record over the video as well. You just hit the record, and you just say whatever you would like to say within that time frame. And when you are done, you will go to finalize by going up to the top and click finish. Then you will title it, and then you will click the thumbnail area, and you can save it either in your Dropbox or etc. However, you can click download it, or you can click the video link in the Word document. It's really up to you, whichever one you want to do, and then you pretty much just go from there. And that is it.